So, hello, dear students. Welcome to our GST revision group. So, from today, we are starting our GST revision. Yeah, so today is 10th March. So, from 10th March to 31st March, that is going to be the period within which we are going to cover the first revision for GST. Okay. So, how do I cover it? How do I complete revising the entire GST within these many days? How do I do it? So, I've shared a CA Inter study schedule for May 2025 for the subject GST. Okay, so this is our study schedule. That is your revision plan, whatever you call it. So it is a study schedule. Right. So today is 10th March. 10th March, the chapter that you have to revise is input tax credit. It is not the entire chapter. The topic that you have to cover in this chapter is section 16. So 16 alone, section 16 alone, we'll be covering today, revising today. And also, if you're covering a particular topic on a day, if there are any certain amendments or clarifications relating to that particular topic, whatever is the amendment I've given along with that particular topic. And for all these amendments, I'll be sharing the videos. Say, for example, we have a clarification for section 16.4. So that clarification, I'll be posting it as a video today. Section 16.6, that was a new section which was introduced recently. So I'll be doing a separate video and sharing that video with you all today. Section 41 and GSTR 1A. So today you will get 4 amendment videos relating to each of these topics. Yeah. So that is how the study schedule has been planned. Along with this, I have also shared the section list. Okay, section 16. You said you have to cover section 16 today. What all in section 16? What are the areas that I have to cover in section 16? Because each one of you will be following a different material. Yes. So what are the portions that I have to cover in section 16? Section 16, you have to cover section 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is an amendment. I'll be sharing the video. Rule 86A, Rule 86B, Rule 37, Rule 37A. So these are the portions that you have to cover. And for the amendments, I have shared the amendment notes. Relax. I know. When you are learning something which is very new, when you read it, you may not understand it the way it is meant to be learned. Yeah, so I'll definitely be posting videos for all the amendments, for all the clarifications that are part of this amendment notes. Everything I'll be sharing, which is applicable for your May 2025 exam. Yes, so this I'll be sharing. Also, I have shared a question answers, compilation of ICA questions for the past few items, RTPs, MPPs, past question papers, mock test papers, everything is there in this question bank. So practicing question is very much important for your CA Inter exams. Why I'm saying this is because there are students who keep on revising or rereading whatever they have learned, but that alone is not sufficient. Whenever you get a question, you should be able to apply your concept and present it properly. So that plays an important part. But for that reason, you cannot start by doing questions. You have to start by revising. After revising a particular topic, whatever questions are there in this question booklet, you can just practice those questions. Okay. And at the end of each day, I'll be posting 1 or 2 questions from the topic that was assigned to you for that particular day. All of you should try to do that question, whether it is right, whether it is wrong, that doesn't matter. All that matters is you should do that question and understand whether you have understood the provisions in the correct manner or not. That is what is more important. Okay. So this is how we are going to plan our GST revision group. Yes. So today's topic, I'll just show you what are the topics that you have to cover. Section 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So section 16.1, you have the eligibility for claiming ITC. Section 16.2, you have the conditions for claiming ITC. There are 6 conditions, all the conditions that you have to learn. Then you have Rule 37, reversal of ITC in case of non-payment of consideration by recipient to supplier. Then you have Rule 37A. Then Section 16.3, 16.4, 16.4, then Section 41, and something new, GSTR 1A. So this is also an amendment, GSTR 1A. Plus, we also have Rule 86A and Rule 86B. So these are the contents. So why I'm showing these contents is because to make sure that you don't miss out on any particular topic, because you're all using different materials. So just make sure that you are covering all these topics today. It's not much, it's just a small topic. You can manage to cover the entire topic. Yeah. So relating to the amendments, so this is just a chart wherein you can use it for revision or anything. Section 16. Once you've covered everything, you can just go to this chart. Okay. So section 16.1. What does section 16.1 says? Okay. Next is section 16.2. What are the conditions for claiming ITC? Section 16.2. Section 16.3. Section 16.4. Yes. And relating to that, whatever amendment has come, that amendment also. Okay, so this is how you should plan your studies. Relating to each amendment, I'll be posting videos every day. Every day. If there are no amendments on a particular day, maybe I'll not post any amendment videos that day. But apart from that, every day's amendment will be posted as a video in this group. So maximum try to follow this schedule. Because by following this schedule, the major advantage that you get is, first thing, you get to revise the entire GST. That is a major advantage. Second, you try to do questions. Yes, you will be able to revise second and third time in April also. So by the time your exams are approaching, by the time your exams come, you will be able to present the answers in a very good way and score very good marks for taxation. So that's all. That's the introduction video. So I'll be posting amendment videos very soon, today itself. So stay tuned.